Welcome to today's show. Today we're going to continue our project series, and my wife wants a cedar bench for the backyard. Well, we'll just make a simple cedar bench. Let's find some cedar. Sorry about the noise, that's my pool heater. I found some cedar. Piece is 12 feet long. I'll ship it through the planer. Half an hour later, and the ground's covered with cedar sawdust. That's good. Remember, when you start to use your radial arm saw, make sure it's squared up a little bit. Just start cutting. I'm going to cut these 3 feet long because my bench is going to be 3 feet. And then it's going to be 18 inches high, so we'll just be able to cut them later. So I'm going to cut all these boards 3 feet long. I'll split all those in half. Here we are at the table saw. So you know I have this jig for cutting it straight. A quick tip to make it straight at both ends. Slide that right to there. And then just add 1/8 of an inch for the blade to each side here. So it's 6. And just over 6. You just want to be 1/8 over 6, 6 1/8. And it's 6 1/8. Okay, we're going to make that a little narrower. We're missing some of this. Okay, we're going to cut the 5 7/8. I put my feather board up, drop my blade down, and we'll just slide these in. Yeah, that'll catch everything up. We have one more left to cut, but we have 2, 4, 6. We're going to make this bench 6 wide. Like that. We're going to cut these ones in half, put them in like that, and then it'll be staggered like that. And I'll show you what I did here. Put a block at 18. That way you just put them in, cut them. Everyone's going to be the same. Just sits up here against the block. You know, things like that take a minute longer to set up, but they're well worth it in the end. Let's get started. And I want to cut these pieces exactly this width. So put a block in here, and that way it doesn't bind on this rail when you go by. So we know this is the length for our legs, and this is the width of one of those. So we just put that in there, clamp that in there like that, and then we know it's exactly the same. It'll be perfect. Okay, here it is laid out. And we'll put it together, and then sand her up. Okay, use my Forstner bit here for this front one, and we'll cut plugs with my plug cutter and sand them off so you won't even see them. Otherwise you could screw them from the back here, but you're always gonna see, you could have done these, you're always gonna have some screws at one end. So I like to use a plug cutter and screw that together. Well, you know that step in every project you're working away and you think you're brilliant, and then you realize, hey, I'm an idiot. Right now, right today, I'm an idiot. But, you know, if you don't make any mistakes, you're not doing anything. Let me show you. Look how nicely that fits in there. Just get it over here. Look how nicely that fits into there. But I'm an idiot. I should have built both sides one at a time on the way from the front to the back. Because now how do I fasten these all together? Now we're going to call her a day. That's my little scrap. That's all we have left of our boards. That's pretty good. Okay, we don't need our belt sander anymore. We have some 100 grit on here. Let's get her sanded. Alright, I'm all done now. So thanks for watching. If you have some comments that'll help others, please leave them. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. And if you have some comments that'll help others, please leave them. Later.